positively glowing today. Thank you so much for letting me come over. Oh, you're always so kind. But really, it's my pleasure to visit your home. Is your son upstairs in his room? Oh, so the usual then. Yeah, he kind of keeps to himself at school as well. He's an introvert through and through. Oh, he mentioned me. Yeah. I did make plans with him to come work on his history project, so. Really? You'd think his face always lights up when he talks about me. That's really sweet. He and we're really close friends. I mean, I've known him for like, what? Years and years. Yeah. Guess you could say I've been watching him. Watching over him, I mean. Sorry. Anyway, I'll just go up to his room now if that's okay. Ma'am, you don't need to bring any refreshments later. I already had breakfast. And I'm sure my friend, has some snacks in his room. Okay. Some cookies and coffee then. Thank you so much. You're the best. Hey, loser. Happy to see me. Judging by that, I'd certainly say so. Oh, did my pet miss me? I talked with you last night over the phone, didn't I? Said I'd be coming over in the morning. We're doing our history project together. Oh, sweetie. It's only been a few hours. You got sad and lonely already. Dude, my guy. That's like kind of pathetic, you know? Adorably pathetic. History can wait, though. Screw the Second World War. I'm more interested in what's going on over here. What is it, You missed your owner. Did you miss Mommy? You wanted Mommy to pay attention, didn't you? Oh, cutie. You just wanted her to play with you, didn't you? You poor thing. Well, I came all this way to see you. Aren't you gonna give me a hug? Good pets greet their owners properly. I thought I trained you better than this. That's better. Good boy. You stay in my arms until I release you. You can feel my muscles under all this soft skin, right? Don't make me put you in a chokehold. You should be sorry. I care about you so much, and I still have to hold you this tightly so you don't sneak away. Such a nervous little thing. So afraid. Is it because I'm your bully? Do you still remember all the teasing and taunting that one time I tackled you to the ground in physical ed and then sat on top of you for fun? Well, pet, we are dating now, aren't we? Of course I'm going to touch my cute little boyfriend. Quite extensively. Hey, you know I'm not gonna hurt you, right? Not really. Maybe just push you around a bit when you're being unruly. But you know better than that, don't you? You'd never willingly disobey because you're such a wimp. My wimp. My simp. Alright, now you may pull away from me, but not too far. I don't like it when you do that. Well, dweeb, I'm sorry I've been just a tiny bit possessive over you ever since our camping trip. Can you really blame me, though? You refuse to tell your mom about us. You always shy away from me at school when we're in public. You don't let me show you off in front of my friends. This wasn't the deal we made. I am this close to just abducting you and locking you in my basement. Somewhere nice and quiet where nobody can hear you or help you. Where I can touch and caress all this shyness, all this hesitation out of you. Hey, loser, do you want to see something? You see this syringe inside my purse, right? This is a mini tranquilizer dart. It'll knock you out for a few hours. Now, I'm of course not gonna use it on you in your house with potential witnesses around and all, but there are a number of places where I can get you alone. At school, on your way home from school, at your favorite hangouts in the city. It really wouldn't take much, you know? Getting you in a compromising situation and then oh so lovingly injecting you with this. It'd be instant lights out. And then velvet sheets and stainless steel handcuffs with soft padding so your wrists don't chafe. I'm not a psychopath. You'd be trapped in my cool, spacious, password-protected basement, shivering and cold because of the cold. And I won't be throwing a blanket over you. Oh, no, no, no. I just cuddle you, warm you up until you melted into a little puddle of bliss. If you want me to be nice, a normal girlfriend, then you should start treating me like one. I'm getting a little tired of all the cloaks and daggers. Your mom still thinks we're just friends. Yes, you wimp. I am your friend, but I'm also your mistress now, and you're my pet. Or boyfriend if you prefer. Whatever. Just, can we not be so secretive about this? I understand if you need a little more time. I'm not trying to force you. I'm willing to wait, babe. But I really, really, really want everyone to know that you're mine. Hey, wait a minute. Is that a picture of me on your desk? Hey, I remember this. It's from when we went to the amusement park for our class trip 3 years ago. We were in the same compartment in the Ferris wheel. And you suddenly clicked a candid. I remember that much. But like, wow, you still have this? And you got it framed too? No. I don't want to study Pearl Harbor and America pulling up at the World War II and shit. What needs to be studied is why you have a picture of me in your room. Wait a minute. What's this page tucked away in the corner? Nuh-uh, too slow. Sucks to be you, I guess. Not giving this one back. Now let's see. Huh. This. Did you draw this? Nerd, you drew this. This is you and me, and we're holding hands and smiling. When did you draw this? After we returned from the camping trip. After we became a thing. I see. Oh my gosh, you're so sweet. I want to bully you so hard. Like I want to make you cry, and then I want to hold you close and wipe away your tears and stroke your back and brush your hair and call you a good boy over and over and over until... You know what? Get on the bed. You heard me. Do it. Right now. Good. You know, your birthday's coming up in a few days. I got you a little present. I was gonna wait for a few more days. But after seeing how your bedroom is basically an altar dedicated to me, I just can't. Your innocence is too much for my heart to bear. I just can't wait. Close your eyes, my pet. No peeking, or else I'll punch you. Good boy. You know, you are really cute. And I love it when you're obedient for your mean, mean bully. I adore you. Happy birthday in advance, my dear loser. You can open your eyes now. Oh, there's that look of panic I've been waiting to see. Panic mixed with exhilaration. Such an intriguing pet you are, my clueless little wimp. Uh-huh. I put a collar around your neck. Sleek, dark, genuine leather with those cute little silver designs. It looks picture perfect on you, and I think it's a good metaphor for our special relationship. Don't you agree? It really is simple, pet. You belong to me, and I want to mark you with a sign of ownership. This collar is your reward for being such a good boy. Seeing you wearing this means quite a lot of things to me. It means you're my pet, my toy, my favorite plaything. And I take good care of my playthings. In fact, I think it's time I gave you your second birthday present. Oops. Guess you're pinned under me again. Does this motion bring back any memories, loser? Please. Please what? Did you mean to say please keep going? Well, in that case, I'm quite happy to indulge you. You like it when I'm here, pinning both your wrists with one hand and the other on your neck. Hmm? Do you like it when I squeeze? Oh, pet, you're squirming. If only you could free your hands and push me off, or wiggle your way out of bed. But you can't. You're trapped under me. Oh, poor baby. So sad. My helpless little wimp. My lips are really close to your ears, aren't they? Does it give you the tingles when I whisper? Blow into your ear canal? Does it make you want to jump when I take your ear between my lips and leave mischievous little kisses all over? Hmm? Does it? Does it? Poor punished pet. If only you told your mom about us, then maybe I wouldn't have to get so controlling. But that ship has sailed, loser. You can't take your own decisions. You need a woman to take them for you. Ain't that right? Open your mouth. Don't make me repeat myself. Open. Good boy. You know, your mom said you've been in your room all morning. You haven't eaten breakfast yet. She may allow that kind of thing to slide, but I won't. I won't let you do as you please. Don't gag. Don't try to spit it out. It's just a strawberry. Fresh, sweet, juicy. I brought some strawberries for you. And you're going to eat them. Don't worry, I'll help you. Here, I'll close your mouth shut. Pinch your chin between my fingers. Come on, baby, chew your food. Use those cute little teeth. Sweet and refreshing, isn't it? And some of the juice is trickling down your chin. Such a helpless pet. But don't worry, I'll take care of it for you. There you go. All better. Now swallow. Good boy. Oh, did that hurt when I pressed on your neck with my thumb? You made such a strange little sound. I can't tell if it was from shock or pleasure. Open your mouth. Time for one more. Good boy. Who's a good boy? Who's a good boy? Yes, you are. Yes, you are. Good boys get pink strawberries. And here's yours. Very good. You know, the Second World War officially began on September 1st, 1939, when Germany invaded Poland. This prompted France and Britain to declare war on Germany, leading to, like, a bunch of stuff, such as an invasion, subsequent fall of France, and then the Battle of Britain happened, where, like, a bunch of German and British airplanes fought it out in the skies, right? And a lot of bombs are dropped and shit. What? I know stuff. I just don't show it off because I'm not a nerd. There were indeed a lot of reasons that slowly led up to Germany's invasion of Poland. I'm thinking we should particularly focus on the policy of the appeasement which led to the whole Sudetenland fiasco and the Treaty of Versailles. Strange, isn't it? How a supposed instrument of peace at the end of the First World War actually became one of the main driving forces of another big-ass war. Open your mouth. Have another strawberry. Good boy. You're such a good boy for me. You know, babe, the Treaty of Versailles is proof that you can never really have lasting peace if your goal is to humiliate the defeated side, which is why I never bully you in order to humiliate you. Oh, no, no, no. There's just a fun little side effect. I bully you out of love, dummy. Teasing you and getting you all flustered is how I show my affection. You know? Yeah. I mean, I did persuade Miss Erin to let me partner up with you again for the history project. I thought it'd let us spend more time together outside of school. That, and you're really smart and obedient, so you can handle most of the research and the writing. Thanks, babe. I love you. Don't worry, babe. I know you get nervous about public speaking sometimes. Tell you what, I'll deliver the presentation and you can just focus on writing the good stuff. Like critical thinking and modern relevance and shit. Of course, loser. I'm your girlfriend. It's my job to protect you, even from stage fright. No. That's so sweet of you to say. Thanks, honey. Here, have another strawberry. Good boy. You know, I think the Battle of Stalingrad is something we should cover in detail. It was pretty much the turning point of the Eastern Theater, possibly the bloodiest battle in human history. Over 2 million people died gruesomely. It was horrific, but it was also full of heroism. No discussion of World War II is completed without this discussion. But of course, we can't neglect Pearl Harbor. That is regarded as the immediate reason for the US to enter the conflict. It brought the vast resources of America at the disposal of the Allies, which low-key turned the tide of the war. I mean, there was a lot of other stuff going on too, but the money and the military hardware sure came in handy. And then, like, a bunch of other stuff happened, like the Battle of Midway, Project Manhattan, the fall of Berlin, the liberation of France, and the dropping of 2 atomic bombs. Yep, the US didn't want to prolong the war with Japan, and so on August 6, 1945, they dropped the first atom bomb on Hiroshima, and then another 3 days later, they dropped the second one on Nagasaki. It was about, I don't know, making a statement, I guess. It's the only incident in human history of a country using nukes against another. So far, that is. Yeah. With the world going crazy in these last few months, there's no telling what'll happen next. Life is so rare in the universe, and yet we seem hell-bent on destroying it. So many damn wars throughout our history. Do people not get tired of fighting each other at some point? Well, I don't want us to fight, at least. Yeah, I was a bit upset with you for being so secret about our bond, But I just can't stay mad at you, you know? Just can't stay mad at you when you make those puppy dog eyes. Hey, listen, I like you, alright? That's why I put a collar on you. I'm in love with you, dweeb. You wanted to chat about the Second World War? I feel like we're chatting enough today. I told you what I want you to write about. I think that's enough. Now, it's time to play. You're such a good boy for your bully. You know what she likes to hear, don't you? Call me mommy. Who's your mommy, pet? Who do you belong to? Yeah, that's right. You belong to me. And I have so many things I want to do to you. And you're just gonna lie there and take it like the wimp you are. Isn't that right, wimp? Oh, am I being too mean again? Poor pet. Maybe I'll be gentle with you. If you call me mommy again, say it. Good boy. But I want you to say it louder this time. Do it. Call me mommy. Again, call me mommy. Oh, hi, ma'am. How are you doing? I see you baked these cookies, huh? Why am I straddling your son? We were just... Oh, we can explain.